2009 Honda Pilot linkage sway bar. Been having issues, noise whenever I go on a bump or a pothole, kind of a clunking sound coming from this driver's side right tire. Honda does have problems with their the sway bar, making that clunking noise when you hit a pothole. That's this problem. So this is where I'm gonna replace and just fix that. Things first, put your e-brakes on and loosen the nuts for your tire. And we'll jack up the car and put some jack stands on there. So it's right here, this linkage. Got a 17mm sock wrench on it. Remember guys, righty tighty, lefty loosey. That bolt is facing the other way, so I almost did tightening it instead of loosening it with that wrench. So just to make sure, 17mm socket or wrench. Get this guy out of here, and then we'll replace it with the new thing. I can see, well, I don't know if you can see it, but a little bit of this boot is kind of destroyed. I can see nothing but dirt coming out of here, so I'll replace that. Once you remove the bolts, if it gets too tight where you can't really force this out, I use the jack stand, put it right underneath this control arm, and eject it just slightly, slowly down so that it can lower and give and it just pop right out. So just in case you don't force that out. This is the old one. It's like really loose. Looks like it's torn here. Yeah, this guy's done. Look, no lubricant at all. This side. Look, this side looks decent, but still kind of slow. Here's the new one. Size. This is kind of really tight, so that's where we want it. Had to lower the vehicle a little bit more so that this will align and go straight in. Tighten them down as tight as I can, and then just a quarter turn. I think the specs on these, if you have a torque wrench, is 33 foot-pounds. Yeah, we're all done basically. After that, we'll put the tire in, and then we'll go do the other side. The other side is the same thing. So thank you for watching.